Let's go! It's time to experience Spitfire here at Six Flags Qiddiya City in Saudi Arabia. Look at the location once again. It is beautiful here. The fact this park's been built where it is, with all the mountains around, makes it pretty special. And we're going to experience the world's tallest inversion. There it is, at 239.5 feet. We've got a top speed of 78 miles an hour, and here we go. Whoa! Woo! There it is, the world's tallest inversion, but we're not going there yet. Backwards into the spike. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Oh, wow! Look at the views! Woo! Woo! Oh, there it is! Oh! Ah! Woo! Oh! And there we go. Whoa, that ride is absolutely incredible. It doesn't look as big as it actually is because it's right next door to Falcon's Flight and all the cliffs. But you know what? It is a phenomenal coaster, Spitfire. Like in a lot of parks, that will be like the best ride there. Obviously here you've got so many stellar attractions, but that's right up there as one of my favorites in this park. It is phenomenal. Absolutely brilliant coaster from Intamin. Thanks for joining me for a ride. Spitfire, and look at the trains as well.
Your safety restraint, and remember to collect your loose belongings as you exit your cockpit. See you next time.
Welcome back.
Hey, thank you.
Please put up your